Lickle Adi. I want you to tell the big pussy fans them, the song when they blackcard, and my voice, and my slang, you use inch
Black money, black card, rich like only can niggas stop talk.
Business and no boy, I say. Who face it, knows it. Kartel come off a blood clot 13 year and I move like some old bumbo clot wrecker. See me park up my style on TikTok. I'm on him blood clot son, use it. And now be a blood clot man like him bad mind. Me want you never got if blood clot and style my popcorn style. Kartel, remember me now choo blood clot Gaza fans, I'm a fake one. Kartel more my blood clot money for the intro. Where your blood clot son use kill me like bubble.
So what you know? BrickBoss calling out Vybz Kartel and also Lickle Adi for using his sound, his slang, and not properly compensating him for it. You know what I mean? And you know, after all of that, the Vybz Kartel, when you say Vybz Kartel fans, more like Gaza fans span a whole. Anytime something like them I go down where anybody I call out Vybz Kartel, there always seems to be a problem, you see me I say. Gaza fans are gonna always defend Kartel to the max, to the fullest, you know what I mean? All if him wrong, Not saying Vybz Kartel is wrong right here. But anybody seems to have a problem with Vybz Kartel or calling out Vybz Kartel, the fans are gonna go at them. So that's what the fans are doing right now. Going at BrickBoss for calling out Lickle Adi and also Vybz Kartel for using his slang and not properly compensating him. Is what I say. So the fans are going at BrickBoss right now. So BrickBoss are come call out Vybz Kartel and Lickle Adi again. Say you need to tell the fans that is his talk, his slang, for their collaboration, which is blackcard, which was done, I think it was like 4 months ago. So, for him to be reaching out right now, well, maybe reach out before, you get what I say, and not getting through or not coming to some form of agreement about, payments being made. So, him decide to, go public right now and call out, both artists, both father and son, you see me I say, for the talk, you see me? Yes, man.
Lickle Adi. I want you to tell the big pussy fans them, the song when they blackcard, and my voice, and my slang, you use inch it, and you don't pay me no food, and me there I look at 5 grand, film style, brawling and dark, and reach out, Lickle Adi. Lickle Adi, please and thanks, my general. A 5 grand me I look. I need one link the teacher, because I see teacher there come from jail and just come a tour with people style. Vybz Kartel just come here a tour with man style. Lickle Adi, you call the shot, You use my style in a song, So here one a 5 grand me I look. Please and thanks, Lickle Adi. Understand? Take shame out of the blood clad Vybz Kartel eye. As him look a younger son, you use my style. Pay a piece of food, every artist pay Gemini. God song, get your God song.
Now watch out, man, right after BrickBoss call out Lickle Adi and Vybz Kartel, the fans them, went at him, like I said before. And also, Lickle Adi posted a cryptic message on his Instagram, you know what I mean? And also said that someone no want work, you see me I say. Now some people say maybe it's foot hype towards what foot hype had been saying, from ever since, about not being grateful for the persons that put them in the position to win, is what I say. But, that message could have also went for BrickBoss, say some man no want work. So, right after that, BrickBoss came back again at the fans and also Lickle Adi and also Vybz Kartel. You see me I say. And him say I defend him slang, I defend him talk to the fullest. You see me I say. For you use him slang, you use him talk, it should be proper compensated.
Some boy when I want to work. Yeah, some boy when I want to work.
Vybz Kartel is one call boss again, one father brick. I need 5 grand or 3 grand on that inch anyway you put on the blackcard. Yeah, Lickle Adi, please. One call boss. Every artist do it. Some me get my shine. Some me work. I'm not know no chain. This is my chain. To intro music. But you left me out of the picture, you know, for further my career, you know. If you're a king and you left me out, a bag of boy, I see that even style, the man I left me out, you know. See Skilly Bang them, I show him up brick pan brick. And him goal out him teeth and him stop link me cross the water samp on him out the view. Him stop the link up and he'll come link him. Who stop that? Dipper. Big pussy nothing know me good. You know why me not deal with nothing again? Cause him know me old man good rah and him don't come in the dark funeral. So can't matter nothing. Boy, some waste Gaza fans, we are not true Gaza fans. But boy, I'm tell you this. From 2010, Vybz Kartel get old. I start do it from 2016 as him showed them. This was my dream for Kartel come out, come use one of my slang them, and me there in a video. Reason why I corrupt Kartel thief my slang, and even money make me corrupt, you know. As a BrickBoss, the call boss, you know, and I money make me corrupt. How Kartel take on my slang, I am and him son do blackcard and do the collab and left me out of it. Cause that was my dream, like every artist to do a collab with the king. That was my dream. Cause no boy now have no style like me, you know. I one rah boy in Portmore, Hilltop badness. I one call boss, one BrickBoss. No boy now have style like me, you ask every artist.
Them so cause we have money, gun care and fat pussy girl.
This is a no boy, I say. Who face it, knows it. Kartel come off a blood clot 13 year and I move like some old bumbo clot record. See me park up my style on TikTok. I'm on him blood clot son, use it. And now be a blood clot man like him bad mind. Me want you never got if blood clot and style my popcorn style. Kartel, remember me now true blood clot Gaza fans, I'm a fake one. Kartel more my blood clot money for the intro. Where your blood class son use, kill me like Bogle. You say wanna kill Bogle for skanking, you know. So you wanna Kartel, kill me over my blood class style, your Batman fans them. Cause some man a born Batman, you know. Me a talk over my style, cause suck on the mother Kartel fans. Kartel fans more my blood class money. Them a ask me for 5 Jamaican. Me don't want a $5,000 Jamaican dollar, you know. Me want $5,000 US. And me a
$5,000 US, BrickBoss say more. What kind of 5,000 Jamaican dollar? That don't make no sense. Yes, man, $5,000 US at around what? 750,000. Somewhere near there, they say, you know. You see me? Yes, man. 750,000 Jamaican dollars, I should say. But yes, man, people, when you think BrickBoss should I get compensated for his talk? You see me? Personally, I believe, say, you know, after I reach out, sure, there can be some farmer, you know, compensated, you know what I mean, revenue for him talk after all. You know, I think the song is about over 1.5 million views on YouTube. And, you know, when even not talk about, you know, upper revenue, is me I say, streaming. So, you know, maybe there can be some form of good compensation when it comes down to BrickBoss. Is me I say, but personally, again, I feel like, you see me, talks like this and slangs like this, you know, from a person like a BrickBoss and those person who are popular on the social media platform. You see me, I say, I feel like them need to start copyright some of them slangs and talk. You see me, I say, is it copyright though, or is it the word trademark? I think it's trademark, yes, man. I think, you know, social media personalities like this should trademark, you know, those types of talk or slangs that in songs and also movies, you know what I mean? So, yes, man, do the right thing. You see me, I say, so fans, get in the comment box and tell me what you think. Couldn't feel like BrickBoss have a point. Wanna feel like he should get proper compensated. And if so, should the fans be upset if he's going live and actually saying so, you know what I mean? Or is it just because it was Vybz Kartel? But anyway, still, get in the comment box and more thing. Like always, like, comment, share the notification bell for further updates and videos. Banging, watch you now.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing Watch You Know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's Watch You Know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! Watch You Know.